Hey everybody, Cale with Melling Engine Parts. Today we're going to take a look at the installation of the Melling M576 oil pump balance shaft assembly. We've got our new oil pump balance shaft module here sitting on the engine. Our oil pump drive gear has a colored mark, and our oil pump drive sprocket on the crankshaft has a colored mark. Our oil pump drive chain has two special colored links. The colored links must line up with the two colored dots. So what I like to do when I'm installing these is I'll take my chain, line up the crankshaft timing mark. I won't have the bolts in the oil pump assembly, so I can go ahead and tilt the oil pump assembly forward. Once I've got the chain onto the oil pump timing assembly, we can go ahead and set it back down on the engine, make sure it's nice and flat. All right, we've got 7 new mounting bolts, torque to yield bolts, so these must be replaced anytime they're removed from the engine. Once we have those installed, we'll go ahead and run them down snug. Come back and take them down the proper torque sequence. All right guys, so we got our oil pump balance shaft module installed. We've got our chain on and properly timed. So what I'm doing here is I'm putting a new timing set on for the oil pump drive. The timing set for this is a Melling 3-902 CSX. Comes with a new chain, new guides, and a new tensioner. So let's go ahead and start by putting on our timing chain guide. Install that. We'll just go ahead and take just snug the bolts up, put our tensioner arm on, and finally install our new tensioner. Okay, now that we've got all those snugged down, we can go back with our torque wrench. Torque spec on all these is 9 foot-pounds. Got all those torqued down. We can go ahead and pull the pin out, set the tensioner. Then we can go ahead and pull the pin out of the oil pump balance shaft assembly that locks the sprocket into place. And that pretty much completes the installation of your new oil pump balance shaft assembly. Thanks for watching, guys.